Hi guys, Rob here from FM Outsource. I'm going to talk today about customer communication for small businesses and how you can use our 5 tips to make sure you're ready for what looks like it could be the biggest digital peak ever on record. So the first tip is to build a knowledge base. Now, what this means is having a repository somewhere where your operators or advisors can use to make sure they're answering queries effectively and efficiently. Big businesses often have the edge when it comes to process, but by retaining your SME flexibility and ensuring your advisors are able to answer as themselves, combined with knowledge banks that give them the latest product and process information, you can be sure that you are providing the best kind of communication. Tip number 2, multi-skill your operators. We all know that an employee in an SME environment generally needs a broader skill range than a corporate specialist, so make that the same in your customer communication. Upskill your operators in different channels, in different processes, and they'll be able to handle more queries and more contacts in a much more economical way. Tip number 3, find the right software. Now there's a multitude out there, but you can narrow it down by using our 4 key criteria to find the right solution for you. First up, make sure it's omnichannel and can handle every channel that you need now and are likely to need in the future, all in one system. Second, utilise workflow technology to make sure that you can use automation and AI to reduce as much of the manual workload as possible. 3, it should be integration ready. If it can't handle integrations, it won't work with your other systems. And 4th, have analytics. Data is so powerful, you guys already know this. Make sure that the technology you use can power your decision making. That leads us on really nicely to tip number 4, crunch the numbers. You have data in your system for all sorts of information around your customer contacts per hour, your customer satisfaction, your average time per contact, the average wait time. Stare at these numbers. Efficiency, but also quality, comes from understanding your customer journey, how you can improve it, and how you can make your advisors faster and better than the others on the market. And finally, tip number 5, hire an expert. Now, we know the temptation, especially in SMEs and at lower earlier stage businesses, to hire junior people and train them up. And there's loads of mileage in that, especially for your frontline customer experts. Find the people with the right attitude and teach them the skills. But when it comes to creating processes, when it comes to choosing systems, and when it comes to creating an all-around customer care department, you want someone who has done this before, can show success previously, and can come in and go, I can get you from here to where you need to be in as short a time as possible. And that is worth paying the money for. So that's it. Those are the 5 tips that we think are really key to growing your small business customer communication platform. Obviously, I'm here for any information. If you want to ping me a question in the comments, send me a direct message, whatever's easiest, get in touch. And you can always reach us online at fmoutsource.com, and we're here to help with any questions you may have. Good luck with what is going to be a very interesting rest of the year.